Hey everyone, welcome back to Tidbit Takeaways. Today I am going to talk about dropshipping on Shopify and how you can quickly start your very own online business without having any actual products. Okay, so what does that mean and how does that make sense? Let's get started to find out. First off, what exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is basically a method where you are able to connect to a third party and sell their products in your store. You are able to customize these products however you would like, giving them your own designs and twists, and of course having your company's logo is always a sweet touch. Once an item is purchased, the third party will have the product shipped directly to the customer. It's really great, especially if, you have no products yourself to sell. If you are creative and have an eye for design, Shopify can be an incredibly easy and fast way to start a profitable online business. So how does dropshipping exactly work on Shopify? Here's a quick breakdown. Step 1, store setup. Using Shopify, you will create and set up your online store, add product listings, and customize however you would like to make it match the vibe you are looking to present to customers. Step 2, product selection. You will need to choose the products you want to sell from a dropshipping supplier that is listed on Shopify. This could be anything from fashion accessories to tech gadgets, or from cat food to t-shirts. Shopify is a supplier for literally anything you can think of. Step 3, linking your store to your supplier. Now that you have your Shopify store, you will now be able to connect with different dropshipping suppliers. This lets your store automatically send order details to your supplier when someone buys a product from your store. Finally, step 4, order processing. Once a customer visits your store and places an order for a product, the order details are automatically forwarded to your dropshipping supplier, including the customer's shipping address. Your dropshipping supplier receives the order, packages the product, and ships it directly to the customer. And there you have it, dropshipping on Shopify in 4 easy steps. I will also leave a coupon link in the description below where you can try Shopify for 1 month for just $1. I hope this video helped, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more Tidbit Takeaways. Once again, thanks for watching.